everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix export video from CapCut Pro problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to first of all go ahead and access CapCut. Let's say if you do not have subscription, then when you use a pro tool or effect, so for example, let's make a new video. So we will choose this one clip right over here. We're gonna add it, mute the audio, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the effect section. If I use any of these pro effects, what it will do is it will simply make my particular video pro. But if I use the free effects, then when I export it, I can export it freely. I do not need to get that fixed export video from the pro problem right over there when I'm exporting. But if I use any of the pro versions, but I don't have subscription, then you will get that problem. So you simply need to go ahead and remove all of the pro effects. And then another thing is that if you have subscription and you're still getting that problem, then you simply need to cross that out and log out of your account and then re-log in. That should help you out. You can reinstall as well your app, and that should help you out as well. That's how you can fix it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.